What's up guys, this is Frank M Tech here, and I'm going to show you a tool that I use to fill up transmission that doesn't have dipsticks. So let's get this ball rolling, baby. Alright guys, this is Frank M Tech, and these are the tools that I use to fill up transmission fluids without the dipstick. This is actually the, what you call it, MityVac fluid dispenser. And this is actually the MityVac adapter kit for the fluid dispenser, and then you can buy them separate. And I bought these both tools from Amazon, and it was actually pretty cheap, which when I did bought them. I use this to fill up transmission fluid on basically, or top off, or when I'm doing a transmission, how you can say flush, or when I'm changing the transmission on an Audi or Ford that doesn't have a dipstick, or any other vehicle that does not have a dipstick. This is the tool that I use. These two combined together. One, because this tool has adapted to hook up to different vehicles, and this one is actually just to put the fluid in to pump it into the actual vehicle. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, some certain vehicles like Audi, you have to pump in the fluid through a certain hole on the bottom of the transmission fluid, or like a BMW through the side of the transmission fluid, and then you just pump it in until it actually leaks out. And you make sure you use OEM fluid. Alright, some of these kits that you have, or this is the kit that I bought, it comes with different adapters to put in different vehicles, because certain ones have different holes, different threads and whatnot, and how to actually do it. So this is the kit that I bought for this. So basically how this works is you put the you basically unscrew the top. As you guys can see, it's a little bit of transmission fluid, but it's alright. So basically what you do is you fill this up with the transmission fluid however much you want, and on the side right here on the side, it tells you how much quarts you can put in here, and I think the most you can do is 4 quarts. Yes, 4 quarts is the most you can do, and is fill it up, cap it off, and this is actually used by manual pump. So you just pump it. Let me make sure the valve is shut off. The valve is actually shut off. So basically what you do is you pump the pump, fill up the tank with the air. Make sure the lock is your actual valve is closed before you pump, because if you don't, the more you pump, the more it's gonna come right out of here. So make sure this is actually connected. So this is one adapter that came with the actual tool itself. So when you do pump the fluid, you make sure the valve is closed. You pump it a couple times. There is a tiny little gauge on the side, on the top, and it is on a green all the way to the red. So basically you want to get closer to the red so you can pump this up basically as much as you can before you open up valve. So when you open up the valve, make sure this is connected. You open up the valve, and the valve is just a regular valve, in closed and then open. Basically a regular quick valve, so you can see, and it's a clear hole so you can see the fluid pumping through. You can actually see when the actual pump is actually, or the fluid is actually emptying out through the actual thing itself or the hose itself. You're gonna see a lot of air bubbles. That's gonna be normal, so don't even worry about that. Alright, so yeah, this is basically the fluid dispenser. This is MityVac fluid dispenser, and I'm gonna put all the links for Amazon underneath in a link below, or the description below on this video, so you can have a look at the prices. If you guys don't have this is actually a great tool to have when you fill up transmission fluid. So I have all the links on the bottom of this video. And basically this, alright, this is actually MityVac also. So what I'm going to do is open it up for you guys, so you guys can see. Let me see if I can pull it up without actually dropping anything. So basically, as you guys can see, there's different adapters for different vehicles, and right here it tells you which adapter is for which vehicle. So let me read out some of the vehicles that they do have on this. They got the Ford, they got Toyota, they got the Volkswagens, Audis, Mercedes, and Volvos, and different ones. So you got a bunch of different adapters that you can use. Basically this kit, that's all you really need. Most of this kit is basically what you need to fill up any type of transmission fluid. So this kit is one of the best kits that I bought, pretty cheap when I bought it. And like I said, I bought these two on Amazon. They're worth it. I fill up transmission fluid with this when I do, like I say, when I change transmissions on certain vehicles. This is what I use to fill it up if it doesn't have a dipstick. I fill it up and then go through the procedure to make sure it's topped off. And as you know, and most of you guys do know, when you do vehicles like that without the dipstick, there's a certain procedure you have to do to actually check the transmission fluid. So, alright guys, This is about the tools that I got. This is another tool that I bought from Amazon. I'll show you the link below. So guys, don't forget, make sure you like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the alert button. And not only that, make sure you share this video to make sure anybody else in the community or anywhere else knows about the tool itself. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.